All right, let's bind a new receiver to our new Radiomaster GX15. First thing we do is power off our radio. Next thing we do, we need to power on the receiver on and off 3 times, and you can do this one of 2 ways. You have to use the battery pack, obviously, and you can plug the battery directly into the battery plug 3 times. Just go 1, 2, and 3 and leave it in, and it'll put it into bind mode. Or if you want to make it a little bit sort of easier, you can just use a typical switch, and we'll go ahead and plug that into the receiver. And now we cycle it on 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And there it goes. It starts to flash. It is in bind mode. You see the double flashing like that. We turn on our radio.
Welcome to HTX.
We navigate to Express LRS under our tools. Let the page load. Then we scroll down to bind. Push our button.
Telemetry connected.
And there you go. And then we get the solid blue light. Easy as, well, 1, 2, 3.